Okay. So today I want to start chapter. Already we have started the chapter. Okay. The name of the chapter. What is the name of the chapter? Acha, what we eat. The chapter name is what we eat. Very good. Acha, first let me ask you some previous questions. Can you give one example of carbohydrate? Carbohydrate example. Any example of carbohydrate? Tell. Okay, rice wheat is the carbohydrate. Very good. Acha, any acid in your body now, in your age, which nutrients is needed maximum? Which nutrients is needed maximum? Who can tell? Tell. Protein. You? Your. Very good. Protein. Egg, chicken, fish. These all are the bodybuilding food, means protein rich food. Okay. So now I am going to show you some food items. That is the raw materials. You have to decide which one is the protein, which one is fat, which one is carbohydrate, and which one is having vitamin and minerals. Okay. So just everybody I'll call to one by one. Acha. So now I am calling Jia. I am calling Jia. Jia, tell. Suppose here, okay, sit. You sit. I am just showing one by one. Suppose here, okay. If you don't come, it will be not possible to see. Come. First, tell me what is this? Rice. This is rice. Acha, this is. This one what? Acha, this one what? Sugar. Acha, this one what? Oil. Acha, okay. Let's see. I'll call other student. Go. Come. Acha, tell what is this?
Rice.
What is this? What is this? Acha, what is this?
Sugar.
What is this?
What is this?
I don't know. Acha, okay, go. Now next you come. What is this?
Rice.
What is this?
Rice.
What is this?
Sugar.
What is this?
Oil.
What is this? Simple, you can tell vegetable or minerals or whatever it may be.
Vegetable.
Vegetable. This is, acha, this is potato. Acha, this is,
Onion.
this one?
Chili.
Acha, okay, sit down. You come. I am not telling who is correct, who is wrong. What is this?
Rice.
What is this?
Rice.
What is this?
Sugar.
What is this?
Oil.
What is this?
Potato.
What is this? This one?
Chili.
This one? Go. Acha, actually, see. First I am showing you this one is the rice. Everybody told correct. Everybody told correct. This one is the rice. Acha, can you tell me rice contain which type of nutrients? Rice contain which type of nutrients? Wait. I am giving the option rice. Suppose rice. No need to raise your hands up. I am giving the option. Suppose rice contain. These are the nutrients name. I am writing the nutrients name. Carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin and mineral. Carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin and mineral. Achha, now you just tell. Now you tell the rice. Suppose here I am writing all the items. Okay. So suppose here rice is there. Here dal means pulses is there. Pulses are there. Then what? Sugar. Then what? Oil. Then what? Potato. Then what? Onion. Then what? Chili. Then what? Vegetable. Achha, now you have to correlate. Suppose this is column A, this is column B. Now you have to correlate. Okay, these are the examples you have to correlate, and I will call one by one student. Okay, so rice is related to which nutrients? Jia, come. Rice is related to which nutrients? You will just cross. You will just correlate it. Right hand, take from right hand. Hello. Take from right hand. Right hand, take from your right hand. Bas. Okay, now tell. Rice is related to which nutrients? Achha, okay, you tried, very good, thank you. Now Farah tell, rice is related to which nutrients? Just correlate it. Achha, carbohydrate, is it correct?
Yes.
Rice is related to carbohydrate, and carbohydrate is which type of food? Energy giving food. So rice gives us energy, carbohydrate gives us energy. So this is what? Energy giving food. Energy giving food. Achha, now Sojo Vikas, come. Tell pulses. Correlate the pulses with any one type of nutrient. Correlate the pulses with any one type of, that is vitamin and mineral. Pulses related to protein. Is it correct? Pulses related to protein. Is it correct? Everybody accepting or not? Not. What you are thinking? What you are telling? According to your point of view, what you are telling? Pulses should be what? Minerals. Acha, Jia tell. Pulses should be related to. Acha, your opinion. Your opinion. Protein. Acha, see. So two students told that it is the protein. One student don't tell anything, and another student is telling vitamin and mineral. But actually, dal means that is the pulses. Pulses are rich in protein. Okay, so you are thinking that only chicken, mutton, and egg, these are the rich in protein. But no, some vegetables are also having the rich source of protein. So for example, I am giving you that is the vegetable which substance, a plant product. The plant products which is rich in protein. That I am giving some examples. Suppose soybean. Soybean is rich in protein. Pulses is rich in protein. Now next what? Mushroom. Mushroom is rich in protein. These are the, and paneer. Paneer, it is also rich in protein. Okay, paneer. So, paneer is one type of non-veg product also we can consider. But these are the plant products. These are the plant products, but these are rich in protein. Plant products, but these are rich in protein. Okay, so other some source of protein already you know, that is the animal product. Okay, that is the animal product means that is what you are telling, chicken, mutton, and peas, whatever you are telling, egg. These all the things are rich in protein nutrients, but those are the animal product. Paneer also animal product. Cow is giving milk, and from the milk it is preparing, so that is also animal product. So now next, so this protein is which type of food? This protein is which type of food means in your book you can see their classifications are given. It is actually bodybuilding food. Bodybuilding food. It is actually bodybuilding food. Okay, so protein is bodybuilding food, carbohydrate is energy giving food. Now next, sugar. Who can tell sugar is which type of food? Jia, tell. You tell. Which one? This one or this one? Which one? Try. Okay, you're trying. Good, very good. Right. Tell. Sugar. Who can tell? You tell. What? You tell. Vitamin. Fat. Carbohydrate. Which one? Carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin. First one, carbohydrate. Yes, it is actually carbohydrate. Means sugar is also a energy giving food. Energy. Okay, so if you take rice, yes, sugar is the carbohydrate, that side is energy. Yes, that is another matter. That if you eat sugar in a huge amount, then it will create problem for your body. But actually sugar is the energy giving food. Okay, simple matter. Now next, oil. First when I call to Farah, that time you can't understand that what is this. You are thinking that this is honey or what? You are thinking honey, but no. See, one interesting thing I can show you. See, everybody come here. See here, this is the oil, and here some oily patch has been created. Here, this is the oily patch. And if you see the back side, here also see one oily patch has been created. Okay, so by this way we can decide that this is a oil. But if you give honey, this type of oily patch will not be produced. Okay.
I understand whatever. I take the smell and understand.
You take the smell and understand. Okay, no problem. So this is one type of oil taste. In this is the paper. This is actually this plate is prepared from plate paper from paper. Plate is prepared from paper, so that's why it is showing. But if it was prepared by plastic, then this type of patches will not be developed. This is the paper. Okay, but plastic will not show this type of evidence. Okay, now tell oil which type of nutrients? Oil is which type of nutrients? Now everybody go and you will tell from there. Oil is which type of? You tell. Oil is actually fat. No, oil is fat, and mind it, sit down. Fat is also one type of energy giving food. Now fat is also energy giving food, carbohydrate is also energy giving food, but protein is bodybuilding food. Now potato tell. Potato what? But potato is also carbohydrate. That's why the patient who is suffering from sugar, they no need to take, or they should avoid the carbohydrate, means rice, potato, these things they should avoid. Okay, so potato, this is also a carbohydrate, means it is the energy giving food. You will see when any worker person who do so much work, physical work, so that type of person you will see they are taking so much rice, so much panta water rice, okay, they are doing this one. Why? Because they need so much energy to do the work. So that's why they need energy giving food. That's why you will see they always take a huge amount of rice. We cannot take such type, but they are taking, because we are not doing the physical work so much. We are doing which type of work? We are doing the mental work. Okay, so that's why we don't need such type of carbohydrate. But if you take more carbohydrate, then that carbohydrate will store here and you will be fatty. Okay, so that is the matter. Anyway, now in your age, that is not the problem. In your age, this one is most important, and this one also most important thing. Okay, now next one, onion. Onion, tell me, onion is which type of, and this is actually which part of the plant? Which part of the plant? Onion is a leaf, onion is stem, onion is a root part. Onion, tell. You are telling root, you. Wrong answer. It is actually stem. The root is present here. Obviously, the root is present here. You can see the root is there. Okay, but this bulbous portion is not the root. That is the stem. So if anybody asks you what the onion is which part of the plant, then you have to write this is the stem. Okay, this is the stem. Now this onion, this is stem, and this onion actually reach such type. So many things are present here. Some vitamin minerals are also present. Carbohydrates are also present. So no, vitamin C is not present here. Acha, now tell, this is potato. Potato already I have shown you. This is not tell. This one is root or stem or leaf or fruit. What is this? What is this? Tell. Yes, this is the stem. Okay, potato is a stem. Onion is a stem. Ginger is a stem. But sweet potato, rangalu is the root. Okay, very good. So potato is rich in energy-giving food or carbohydrate already. Now this is the vegetable. Okay, vegetable only. Okay, this is a vegetable. So that vegetable, first tell me, this is the fruit or root or stem or what? Tell. You tell. Stem. Acha, one interesting thing is inside the fruit, what should be present? Generally, seeds. So, seed is present. Seed is present means it is one type of what? Stem. No, seed is present means fruit. Fruit is developed from where? Flower. Okay, from flower, fruit is developing, and inside the fruit, seeds are there. See, that seeds are there. So many seeds are there. Okay, so this is, suppose this vegetable is rich in which type of nutrients? This type of fruits is related is rich in which type of nutrients? Tell. Carbohydrates. Sit down. Next. Correct answer. Vegetable is rich in vitamin and minerals, and maximum students don't like to eat it. Maximum students, no, I don't like vegetables, I don't like these things. But this is very much important, and this is rich in these vegetables, not only these vegetables, all the vegetables including fruits also, it is very much important, and it is rich in vitamin and minerals. So in your age, it is most important, then it is most important. This is also important, but maximum amount of fat you no need to take. Okay, so, but vitamin and mineral is another type of food that is called what? That is called protective food. Protective food. So here we can get the three types of food. One is the energy giving food, another is the bodybuilding food, another is the protective food. Carbohydrate and fat, both are energy giving food. Okay, and this is bodybuilding food and the protective food. So if you don't take vitamin and minerals or vegetable food, then you will be very much sick. Nobody will be there to protect you. So that's why these things generally helps to protect you. Okay, so that's why you have to take vegetable, fruits. And one more thing, that sea fish is very much rich in minerals. Okay, so that is also very much interesting and tasty also. So now tell, what is this? This is faster. This is tell. Stop. This is tell. This is fruit, stem, root. What? Tell? You tell. Stem. You tell. It is actually. Let me see inside any seed is there or not. So seeds are there means what is this? This is fruit. Okay. So this is also rich in what? Vitamin and minerals. Chili also very good. Vitamin C is present in chili. So chili also, you don't like to eat chili, but chili is very important. So this onion is also, we can relate it with the vitamin and minerals, but actually these are, yes, we can relate it. Vitamin, minerals also, carbohydrate also related. Anyway, so these five types of nutrients, that is carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin and minerals, these 5 types of nutrients are there, and basically 3 types of foods are there. One is energy giving food, another is bodybuilding food, and another is protective food. Okay, so this is over. Now, let me see. Already what is given here, see in the page number 54. In the page number 54, see. In the page number 54, you can see there types of foods are given. So types of food means food for growth, food in my book 54, but in your book here I don't see actually 60. Okay, so here you can see types of food. First one type is given, that is food for growth, and just down of this para it is giving bodybuilding food. Right? Already I told you bodybuilding food. Acha, now next one, food for energy, that is energy giving food. Already I told you energy giving food. Okay, now next one is food for health, that is the protective food. Also I told you protective food. Okay, so all these 3 types of food already I have mentioned, and with example also. Okay, practical also we have done today. So this page today I will not proceed more. Okay, actually time is over. I will not proceed more. So the classwork you please write. The classwork means the practical I have done. Now on homework I will give. Write. This will be the homework. This will be the homework. Write the question. Write the question. Everybody open your copy. Write the question. Write the question. Write the question. That is for the homework. That is for the homework. That is date is 3/7/25. Write the question number 1. Make a chart. Make a chart of different types of food with example. Different types of food with example. Okay, make a chart of different types of food with example. Okay, so how to make this one? Answer you will write in this way. Here one chart you have to do, and here you will write serial number, types of food and example, type of food, and here serial number. Okay, like that way you will write. Generally 3 box will be there. Okay, just you draw this box in your copy also, and you have to fill this one. Means first you will write serial number 1, type of food means energy giving food, then example you will give bodybuilding food, example will give, then protective food, energy will give, example you will give. Okay, so this is the homework and you have to do by yourself. Don't take any help from other. Okay, just you can ask in your tuition period, you can ask your teacher, but I know you can do it by yourself. You can get all the information from page number 54. In your book it is 60.